dito sa village nila. Papakita niya daw yung mga view dito. Kasi gabi na kami nakarating, diba? So, hindi masyadong, na-appreciate yung view kasi pag gabi na nga, padilim na. So, niyaya ko siya sa church. Kasi, doon sa church, guys, katabi niya lang yung cemetery. Ang gaganda ng cemetery dito. Yung parang hindi ka matatakot. Gamit namin yung old car niya na BMW. Nag-ano lang ka dito. Ikot-ikot. Ang ganda ng village nila dito sa parents niya. Old town tong nila, guys. City. Not city. Province, something like that. Sobrang layo niya sa sa city ng sa Vilnius. Ito daw yung school niya nung bata siya. Tapos ito, is this lake, babe?
Yeah.
Ayun ang lake, ang ganda. May fountain, yung lake. Ayan na yung church, guys. Yung pink na simbahan.
See? No parking.
No parking?
I think so. I see one, but you know what? Maybe I can go here.
Where?
So I can go directly to
Ganda ng simbahan. Ay, hindi pala siya pink. Peach. Ganun yung color. Oh, it's open.
But I don't think we can go with these clothes. You have to like a little bit wear something nicer. You know what I mean? Like this.
Yeah. Ito yung sasakyan niya na old. Sobrang haba niyan, guys. Tapos ayun na yung church. Tapos nandito lang yung cementerio. Ayan, ang gaganda ng cementerio dito. Doon pa. Ganyan yung mga nila. Lap. Ang tawag dito? Hindi ko nakalimutan ko na. Yung parang lap. Ito yung sinauna sigurong lapida before. Tapos, ito na yung bago. Ayan o. Pupunta kami sa lola niya. Pero hindi ko na i-film yun. Ayan na yung church. Ang lalaki ng dalawa. Nagdadalawa. Bawat Ang ganda, diba? Bari-bari po. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po.
Huh?
Where?
It's there.
There?
I don't know. I am myself.
You don't know? You there?
You have to really know.
Hindi namin mahanap yung kung saan nakalibing yung lola niya. It's so nice, you know? You know, in Philippines, babe, when you go to the cemetery, you're gonna feel scared. But here, no.
Yeah, because everyone is taking care.
Yeah, and it's so clean. Sobrang lamig na dito sa labas, guys. Tapos naka-t-shirt lang kami. Ang ganda ng cemetery dito. Mga bato yung mga lapida nila. As you can see there. Yan pa. Doon hanggang doon. Tapos doon pa. Isa lang pala yan, guys. Yung pero ang lalaki mo ng space. Akala ko dalawa na kasi ang laki. Tapos, ayun. Yung mga puro bato. Ang lalaki. So, ang gaganda. Lahat may na may maintain nilang linisan. And you know the Philippines, the cemetery in the Philippines, like houses.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have own house.
But it is
They
also
put aircon.
aircon
Yeah, inside.
for
So
what, for
every-
dead people.
Yeah, no, every like November 1 they come. So you know it's so hot in the
Yeah.
Philippines. They put aircon, they put kitchen, something like that.
Oh, okay. So for families
like
to
house.
stay.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, the rich people they do that, and
Yeah.
all it's boxes and everything
And
styles
you said like also doesn't have any crosses on the.
they
on
put.
They put like
But
here, on
the
every
name
one?
they put in the tiles.
Okay.
Papunta na kami sa lake, guys. Tapos na kami ikot-ikot doon sa cementerio. Niyaya niya ako sa church. Kaso sabi ko ayoko, nakasuot kami ng pangbahay. Yung mga tao na sa loob, mga naka-casual attire. Sabi ko ayoko.
Thinking, I'm not sure if we can go there anymore.
What?
Because, you remember they're doing this highway.
Yeah?
And I think it's everything closed.
So we cannot go?
Let's go through there. I'm gonna have a try.
Okay. I'm a little bit hungry now, actually. Wala kasi yung parents niya, guys, sa bahay nila. So, naggalagala muna kami. Pumunta sila sa, capital. Bumili daw sila ng mga, ewan ko anong binili nila. Siguro pagkain. For our lunch. And I like, guys, So, pupunta kami doon. Maghahanap lang kami ng mapagpaparkingan. Puro forest dito. As you can see, ayan yung nila. More on forest. Tapos, may biglang tatawid na deer. Kagaya kahapon, may nakita kaming tumatawid. Ang bilis na magpaandar. Tapos, buti na lang, nung tapos na siya harurot. Yung mabagal-bagal na yung drive niya. Tapos may biglang tumawid na deer. Right, babe? We saw a deer yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Jumping on the road.
And I told you, remember? I said like they're jumping.
Ang daming deer dito, guys. Tapos may nakita ko, parang alaga. Ang dami. Lagi may sign na deer dito. Kaya yung iba, ang daming speed limit kahapon. 50, 70, ganyan. Kasi nga, pag mabilis kang mag-drive, tapos biglang may tatawid na deer, yari ka. Patay yung deer, tapos ma-aksidente ka pa. Kaya nga, ayun, may speed limit lagi dito. Hindi ka pwede mag-drive ng mabilis kasi laging may camera dyan sa gilid. Oh, that!
Yeah.
Oh,
no, it's a goat. A sheep. It's not a goat. Oh my god. That film.
I thought it's a deer. Oh my god. May pa pala dito. Tapos yung road dito, guys, hindi masyado maganda. Parang sa Pilipinas din. Ayun, What did you say?
No. Nothing.
Welcome to the Philippines, huh? Oh, ayan na. More on forest. So nice, right?
Yeah, and now, that highway, we're now next to this highway that they're building.
Yeah?
New one. So.
Your father?
No, like the one that we have to take, but I think it's closed.
Oh,
See the road work, and it's not really possible to go, I think.
Okay, so how can we go there? What is that? Building house?
No, it's I think for the highway, everything.
Ginagawa na pala yung dito, guys, road. Yan.
See?
Kasi nga, diba, malubak. Ang hirap ang shaky. Dito na kami, guys. Ay, pababa doon. Ayun na yung lake ko. Oh! Someone people there.
Yeah, we're gonna walk. You know what they do?
What?
They're gonna...
Ang laki ng lake nila dito. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ang bigat nitong niya. Ito. Pinto. Welcome to the lake! Do you think there's a crocodile here?
No. Yeah, they're going to dive.
Oh.
So, I don't think so.
You gonna die?
No, he's gonna dive
Ah.
today.
Okay. Oh, someone bonfire. Did a bonfire here.
This is one of the clearest waters in
Lithuania?
Lithuania.
Oh.
Of course, now it's easy,
Oh yeah, it's so clear.
it's easy to see, but if you go in the
Ang
middle,
linis guys, oh. Kita mo? Unlike sa Netherlands, hindi mo makikita na ganyan ka-clear. You know. Pero malamig yan for sure. Kasi ang lamig dito.
there is. Oh, it's getting busy.
Someone coming there, oh. Maybe they gonna swim?
I don't know.
Or dive?
And there is some places like the bridge. So basically, you can see the bottom,
Yeah.
but if you dive and try to reach, you cannot. It's so strange, you know. Like maybe 3 or 4 meters, you can see very clearly.
Masarap maligo dito guys. Ang linis. Pero dun sa bandang malalim na daw. Ang laki ng lake. Oh my god, it's so cold. Lalamig na ako. Can we do camping here? Or not?
Yeah, but we can go a little bit deeper in forest somewhere,
Oh, so we
like
have to
nicer
go.
places.
Okay.
We can do, of course. Here is kind
You
of
want to
busy,
swim?
no?
Mayroon
I
nag-ano
want,
dun,
but
guys.
I didn't take anything. Any towel?
Yung para magda-dive sila. Nakasuot sila ng pang dive. Magsisisid sila.
But let's say this weather, we were like, when I was a child, we were swimming. Even if
Here?
it's- yeah. Not only here, but everywhere.
Every lake.
Yeah. So as long as it's 20 degrees, we're good.
Yan guys, oh. Sobrang clear. Ang ganda ng water. Oh yeah, it's cold. Ang lamig ng tubig. Oh. Let's go now there. Bring jackets. It's so cold. Oh, someone coming.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This place is not good for camping because it's too busy here. Yeah, it's like destination for.
Nandito kami sa what place? Correct place?
I don't know how do you call, but in Lithuanian it's Lakajutakas.
What?
Lakajutakas,
It's raining, guys.
sort of.
Lakas ng ulan. So, naka-ano lang ako. Naka-coat. Pupunta kami doon sa malaking bato. Kasama din namin yung mga magulang. Andun sila sa unahan. Nandito kami sa likod. What's that, babe? We're going up
Yeah,
to see
and
the...
then you're gonna walk through the trees, not to the top of the trees.
Look at the... Where's that?
You can film
What?
there. If you want.
Look at that, guys. Train.
Oh, it's not Lakajutakas, it's Layutakas.
Umaakit yung mga tao dyan, eh. Para tignan yung view. Sa taas. Yun, eh. Pupunta na kami, guys, dun sa pinakamalaking bato. Makikita nyo mamaya, sobrang laki. Tapos ito, mga trees. Oh, what's that? Noon. Cute.
Oh, it's like
It's like
Lithuanian. I know it's not Lithuanian, but
Is
there's
that
kind of
alive?
mushroom.
Mushroom?
They're poisonous. You cannot eat. But it's only the image. It's not real one, you know.
Ah, okay. They
So
just...
it's like that sort of.
yeah.
Yeah, you can find them on the ground.
Yes. But you cannot eat. Sobrang lamig, guys. Ginawa ko. Naka-double jacket ako. Pero sobrang lamig. Oh my God. Is it cold for you?
No,
No?
not at all. I want to swim.
Swim?
Yeah,
Where?
later maybe. Not here.
Malapit na kami, guys. Dito. Ito yung entrance. This is the entrance for map. Ito yun, yan o. Malaking bato doon. Yung kung saan yung mga tao.
And here's one of the biggest rocks in Lithuania. You see there on the left side. We're gonna walk.
Ayan na guys, oh, ayan. Ito na yung malaking bato. Yung laki-laki. Sobrang laki niya. 5 meters?
Yeah. So
Oh my god, it's so big. Look at that.
Man, palaukit biški.
See? Yan na may nakaukit. Who's that, babe? Darius.
Darius and Grianas. They were like 2 pilots that they were flying over Atlantic Ocean
Yeah?
from to the United States, and they died during the flight.
Oh. Look, go there. Show to them how big. It's so big.
Is it?
Guys. Finally, nakita ko din siya kasi last year, nung Pasko, nandito din siya. Sinad niya sa akin to picture. Tapos ngayon nakikita ko rin siya. Tapos mga forest lang yung nasa background. So ngayon guys, aakit kami doon sa mataas na building na inaakit ng tao. Is there an entrance fee?
Yeah, where they got it.
Ah, okay. This is our activity for today. To climb.
Yeah, but this not walking, but it's a word.
Yes.
Like,
Full of forest. Guys.
look at that. Is it for birds?
Maybe. Mga birds daw to guys. Mga bahay. Is that?
Yeah.
Is there some birds inside?
In English.
Where?
Like for the it's kind of how do you say? It's an example for the bird. Like it says what kind of bird, and that's what example it should be.
Ah,
the size
only
of the-
house.
Yeah, the house.
I thought there's a
Like
bird
size-
inside.
No, like size of the hall, you know. The
Oh, ayun guys.
how big is it?
Para different nila yung mga size. This one is small, that one is cute oh. Tapos ito yung mga pangalan ng birds. So let's go?
Yeah.
Here, let's
Yeah.
go. Nauna na yung mga parents niya. Hiningal na ako. Sobrang taas na inakyat namin. Malapit na kami. Yan yung hanggang doon. You're not tired? No? You're not tired?
Oh, it's okay. Well, you're hanging on me, so I'm extra work.
Andito na kami guys. Papunta na kami doon. Hiningal ako. Ang taas ng inakyat namin.
Look.
Raining in Lithuania. Babe, slippery.
That's it, right?
I'm gonna slide. If you didn't hold me.
Like the birds that
Oh,
you can see
dear.
here.
What's this, babe? What's that?
It says like brown fox.
First time ko lang makakita ng ganito.
This is deer who always
Yeah.
gets killed
Mga
by
birds.
cars.
Animal. Malapit na kami doon, guys. Ang tataas ng puno. Grabe. Tapos ang taas din nitong tulay.
Look at this.
Oh my god! You're gonna die if you're gonna jump here.
Of course.
It's so tall. I'm a little bit tired, guys.
Walking? I haven't
Climbing.
No, I didn't sleep so good last
Me
couple
too.
nights.
I think I only slept 6 hours. Hindi kaya masyado nakatulog kanina, guys, kasi hindi kami mainit. Kasi yung yung blanket na mainit siya kasi akala na
Look at that.
magulang niya.
Yeah.
Lalamigin ako. What? Malapit na kami!
Crazy, right? Let's first walk here around. Go to the right.
Nandun pa sa baba yung parents niya. Naiwan. Kasi pinapauna nila kami. Kasi nga nagbablog kami. Almost there. Oh, here. What? Oh, they have telescope. Ayun na yung river. Puro forest, no? Tapos nakikita doon yung town, oh. Guys, maghahanap ako ng crocodile.
What do you see?
I cannot see.
Maybe you have to pay? Or no?
It's red. Oh, yeah.
Do like this? Only
Yeah,
one.
only one.
Nah.
What are you looking?
You cannot see anything actually.
Try to find crocodile.
I'm trying to look for a crocodile, but I can't see them.
Ganda guys, oh. Nakakalula kasi ang taas-taas. Yan yung ano. Tapos may foggy-foggy lang. Pababa na kami guys. Where are we going now, babe?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the, I don't know, I have to ask parents, but I think to this, their place maybe, and then maybe to the river.
River?
To have a swim.
Okay.
Once.
Nandito kami ngayon sa church, guys. Para lang siyang house, di ba? Ayan o, yung brown. Tapos ang daming ano, mga nakatayo dito ng mga kahoy. What's that, babe? Explain to them.
What do you mean about statues or about the
This
church?
one, oh. The wood.
Yeah, it's basically like every statue stands for every village around these areas. So, there's many
Tapos
of them.
ano, may mga ano. Eh, nakita nyo? Naka-engrave sila. Kahoy yan, oh. See? Oh, gagaling, di ba? Meron pa doon, cross naman yun. Tapos, doon pa. So, yan. Nasa province, ano kami ngayon? Province place.
Yeah.
Tapos may cute, ano lang doon, house. Mga tambayan. So, we're gonna go there na?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, how do you say this fresh water?
Fresh water.
Just that? Like when you get like kind of river of fresh water.
Yeah, fresh water. Okay.
Let's try. Like, at least it says it's safe to drink, so let's try.
Okay. It's so cold. Oh,
It's not so cold. We're
it's
gonna swim.
cold. Huh?
We're gonna swim later.
No, I'm not gonna swim.
No?
I don't have clothes. Yun yung simbahan. Oh, good.
Nice, right?
Oh, it's raining na, Ben.
Yeah.
Ayun yung parents niya guys, nandun na. So, pababa kami, papuntang river. Magsiswim daw to. Napakalamig. Tapos maliligo. Naambon na.
Yeah.
Oh, what's there?
Later.
Later pa.
Later. Now only we're gonna go to try some water.
Okay. But it's raining na, babe.
Oh, my back is.
Doon yung car namin nakapark. Ayun. Parang bukal-bukal, guys. Fresh water daw.
Are you gonna try?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold. Yeah, it's good. It's like water. You want to try?
Yeah. So cold.
How does it taste?
Mineral.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's better this water than Netherlands.
From tap? Not your favorite.
Mineral. There's no other taste. I like it. Sarap guys. Lamig. Nandito kami ngayon guys sa aming next destination. River. Hello. Shake. Don't shake. It's shaking guys. Yung river nila dito maitim. Oh my god. You're crazy.
More fun, right?
Yeah. Hala, there's anaconda, babe. Anaconda River. It's already broke, oh. Pinaglalaroan kami nitong isa. Tamo. Ano ginagawa? Your mama, babe.
Huh?
Your mama. Someone fishing. So nice here, guys. Doon kami galing. Oh, ayan. Magsawa kayo sa nature. Sa mga nature lover dyan. Ayan na.
So when we're gonna do camping,
We're gonna camping here.
I'm gonna show another area.
I feel like I'm still there. Like shaking. Babe, I saw mushroom. Is this mushroom? Babe? Mushroom?
Yeah, but I want to show you this red mushroom.
Huh?
Like red with white dots, but it's not so easy to find. So that one is poisonous mushroom.
Poison.
Is it poisonous? How do you say?
I don't know.
Like if you feel if you eat, you can die.
Aww. Of course. You're crazy.
This is a tradition to make the block, engrave your names and dates when you were get married, and then block it here.
Like in Korea.
This is the only Korea?
Huh?
And then you throw the key inside.
Where do I imagine?
Maliligo daw sila guys. And dito sa river. Go! Because the... Oh! Babe! You're crazy.
So cold.
Lamig ka ngayon, ha?
Huh?
Nothing. You're crazy. Pumunta lang sila dito guys para tumalon. Doon sa ano. Your papa's having fun, huh?
Yeah, it's fun,
He's
right?
enjoying. Oh my god. It's cold. Yeah. Andun pa yung ano, mother-in-law ko.